Bad news, man. I broke a speaker. Believe me. For y'all who don't believe me. What's going on, y'all? SCS. You know, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Steve Davis _CG is my only Instagram. I don't have no other Instagram. Y'all know the rest. But back on this black dome with the orange interior. I was trying to have the back half of this car done 2 days ago. Side panels weren't fitting right. I knew it was another piece, man. Go right here, similar to something like this. So I'm getting everything back installed. I gotta glue this back down. I put that wrap right there. I don't know if something go right there, but it just looked good with the seat on it. But he's making a top cover eventually to cover everything. But this piece go right here, and it screws in here and here for this top pillar piece. So I'm putting this back in here. So I had to take the window crank. Get some nuts, bolts, some screws, a bunch of little knick-knack stuff to close the car out, but it's about to be done tonight. I gotta go get the red primary wire trim screws, a bunch of little stuff. I got beauty trim screws, but I need the oval trim. I got some at home. Just getting the rest of this stuff to close it out. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, all my consoles come with some kind of brace. So you ain't out here with your stuff just flopping around. 380 bolt, ain't none of all that self-tapping screws and stuff. Ain't none of that. So got the bolt for the console. Alright, so mirror, it's a little piece. They go there. Wasn't on there, so I had to go home. I was like, man, I got some amp screws. These amp screws. And I'm guessing one gonna fit this. If not, I'm gonna make it. Yep. So they could be hooked up correctly. And then these screws, these ain't the screws for this. Trim screws go in. These are. Well, this is a trim screw, but it ain't the one for this. Hold on. These the ones go in there. Yep. Bunch of good stuff, man. It definitely add up on time. But man, I'm dog tired, man. Oh yeah, I had to get one of these. Didn't see it on that door. So we got a lock set. Oh man. So yep. It's closing in now, so catch y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all. Just about there, man. So bad news again. I'm gonna take this off so I make sure I glue this one with the rubber strip and adhesive. Bad news, man. I broke a speaker. The speaker set is expensive. For y'all who don't believe me, y'all know what this stuff costs. Yeah, see the name. Broke it. Wasn't fitting it. It needed about a ½ inch of space, and I tried to push it a little too far, and it broke. I was like, damn. So, calling folk out tomorrow, and we'll see. Now I see why the dunk dashes with the 3 pods have the speaker sitting up in the air. So I was like, we could put the corner speakers in the console where you want them in the dash. So the whole dash is already done. I put the speaker part under the dash and I did the covers. So you know, I could sew at the time, but yes sir, I can sew. I couldn't sew. Gotta take this down. Get these slip nuts. I'm trying to wait though. I don't want to put the seats in. I'm finna finish wiring up the radio. I'll be done with that. I'm finna finish gluing this carpet, putting trim, door seal pieces on, and be done with that. Like literally, the last thing I had to do is put the seats in. So I'm trying to see before I bolt the dash down. When I call them tomorrow, if they could like next day me a speaker and we can do whatever he want to do. But I'd rather have it now, and that way I ain't got to go back and take all this off, because it ain't gonna fit, but it can't fit in the console. But I ain't trying to put the seats in, mold it down, wire the power wire to the seats, and then have to undo all that just to put the speakers back in the console. I don't want to do all that. That's a lot of time. But coming along. I'm waiting on some glue to dry over there. Kick panel in on this side. Spray some glue right here to hold this carpet in position. All this in place. Yeah. The sub box, had to take it back out. Yeah, he put some porcupine Got the light on. Yeah, he stuck some port 15 under there, so it's drying. And also the 4-channel, the way it was wired, I ran all the wires and I labeled everything. And having help, it was done not to the way I would like it. So I'm gonna just do it over. I redid the wiring for the radio over. Cleaned up all that. I showed y'all that already. I got a 1-inch run power wire, just my 12-volt switch, the red. Got my 1 power wire radio cut back on. And I'm just trying to tidy up everything I can, but work around that one speaker that I broke. Definitely learned the lesson. Definitely y'all see, if you got a donkey, you want some pods, you want to put a 4-inch right there, you got some work to do. So y'all seen it on my channel firsthand, because don't nobody show the mistakes. So it's cool with me, man. I don't care. I mean, rather say somebody else's time. Other people don't think like that though. They want y'all to mess up too and look and laugh. But I ain't that type of person. But live and learn. Also, oh yeah, I was seeing too, with the warranty. With the warranty, he said you gotta sync everything. So the other speaker in the dash, the tweeters in the console, and then the crossovers in the back behind the dash. I'm like, man, I mean, a whole set 700, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 speakers, 2 tweeters, and 2 crossovers. So 6 pieces, $700 divided by 6 pieces, come out to about let's see, if I had to guess, about 118. 700 divided by 6, 116. I've been counting for a long time. What's going on, y'all? Next day. So I actually stayed on the car, worked on it a little bit longer. I was gonna put the door seal plates on, right? But then we're gonna have to take the RCAs and swap them out. When you jiggle them, they cut on and off. So it's either RCAs or the amp. So, man, going down that road, man, going backwards. So we're gonna figure that out and then close in. And then with the dash, with the speaker, so that's what we came up with. We're gonna put the 4-inch components in the console. And then the tweeters that I put in the console gonna go back up in the dash. So we just gonna swap that around. And then I should be able to bolt down the dash. Go down the dash. Secure everything. Put the seats in. Done. But cut y'all on once we get back to that point. But I'm about to call Focal right now. Try to get this 1 speaker replaced. Like I said, I'd rather pay that $120 than to take all that. And then now I'm finna take it all back apart anyway. But the process with the return is you gotta take everything apart, send it to them, then they send you another set back. I don't have that time, but if that's how I gotta work, it gotta work. But I'd rather not do it that way. So make that call, and then next video y'all figure out what happened.